Okay, sê dit weer.
The hottest girl in the school.
Ja,
Remay.
Remay.
She's so hot. She is the fire.
okay.
Remay.
Like sy jou terug.
I don't know. Hopefully.
Wat het jy gesê?
I said when we were at the beach, I asked her. I said I love her, and then she just hit me against the head. And then I nearly fell.
Het jy gevel voor
I nearly fell.
Het jy vel
I think she likes me. I think she likes me. I can't wait till this holiday.
Hoekom?
So I'm gonna see her beautiful face.
Maar Boetie gaan jou bliksem, my skryter is
Bijna doesn't care.
Wynand doesn't care.
Hoe weet jy? Het jy nou klaar met Wynand maatjies om op
Yeah,
ons sissie te kry?
yeah, I fooled Wynand. Shh, don't tell nobody.
Okay, Christian.
Yeah, I love him.
Okay. Het jy geweet ek het al op WhatsApp?
Really?
Ja.
Would you tell her I love her?
Ja, ek sal vir julle video stuur.
Thank you, man.
Okay.
You're such a star.
Okay.
And remember, you are the fire. You want my number? I'll tell you my number. You'll find me in the newspaper or TV.
Sinds jy moet in jou klaar.
That's how popular I am on TV. Don't talk too famous.